Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last video we are discussing about combination of the resistors. One is series combination, second one is parallel combination. After that we are discuss heating effects of electric current. So in this video we are discuss about the topic applications of heating effects of electric current. So heating effects of electric current. For exposing the heating effects of electric current, the element of the appliance must be have high melting effect of the electric current. It has some conditions. First one is the appliance must be have high melting point. Second one is the appliance must be have high resistance power. So first one is electric bulb. In an electric bulb, the filament of bulb gives light because of heating effects of electricity. This is the electric bulb. This is called filament. The appliance consists of a filament is made up of the tungsten filament. The name is tungsten filament, metal name. The specialty of the tungsten metal is it has high resistance power and high melting point. So this electric bulb is connected to the battery. So when switch on in this electric circuit, the electrons will be passes in the electric bulb. So first of all, the electrons will be reaches in the filament. The filament will be starts to glow. The number of electrons flowing into the filament is increases, so its surround heat produced is also increases. So the time is increases, so the heat produced by electric bulb is also increases, then the electric bulb will be glows more. The filament of bulb is generally made up of tungsten metal having melting point equal to 3380 degrees centigrade. So it is a high melting point metal. So next one, electric iron. The element of electric iron is made up of alloys. It is a conductor. It is made up of the alloys. Alloys means more than one metal. It consists of more than one metal is called alloys. So number of metals are added together. Its high melting point. It exhibits high melting point. The heating effect of electric current application is used in the electrical heater and geyser work on the same mechanism. Same mechanism means here we are used the conductors. Electrical heater, the appliance is made up of the number of ring shapes. So when we made the number of rings, so length of the conductor is increases, so its resistivity power is also increases. So it exhibits the high melting point because it is a alloy. So it exhibits the high melting point, so it exhibits the heat. This is also one of the application of heating effects of electric current. Next one is electric fuse. So every electric board we are using the some fuse. So electric fuse is used to protect the electrical appliance from high voltages. If any electric fuse is made up of metal or alloy, generally electric fuses are made up of alloys such as aluminum, copper, iron, lead, etc. In case of flow of higher voltages, in such cases, fuse wire melt and protect from the appliance. So fuse immediately break down, so appliance will be safe. The electrical fuse is made up of alloy, so it has high melting point. So it has high melting point as well as high resistivity.